I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Update the D'MAX head unit and your iPhone, then enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the phone. Plug a good lightning cable into the USB port marked CarPlay. Once you connect, the truck will detect the phone and prompt pairing. If prompted, allow CarPlay on the iPhone settings. This authorizes apps. Make sure the phone is unlocked the first time. This speeds initial handshake and prevents connection errors as you move to the next step. Once done with the physical connection, you authorize the vehicle. Accept the CarPlay prompt on the head unit and on your iPhone, and enter the PIN if requested. You then open iPhone settings to CarPlay and select the D'MAX to arrange app tiles. This controls what appears on the truck display. Make sure Siri is enabled for voice control and set your preferred navigation app, Apple Maps or Google Maps, so directions launch correctly. These choices make driving safer and faster to access while on the road. Now use CarPlay, launch Maps, play audio, and make a call using Siri to verify everything works seamlessly. If CarPlay doesn't appear or drops, first try a certified cable. Many faults are cable-related. Then restart your iPhone and cycle the truck's infotainment power. If problems persist, remove the D'MAX from iPhone CarPlay devices and repair and confirm permissions in settings. One key troubleshooting tip: always test with the phone unlocked and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.